what am I talking about? Tomato. Oh, where are we filming? So fast. Welcome to the mechanical mecca that is the Gears and Queers Garage. Today's subject is a 1987 Toyota Supra. Our good friend Luis, who is behind the camera. Say hi, Luis.
Hello.
We're just doing a quick transmission fluid, not even a full flush, just a little change here. Also, because we've got a fun little giveaway with some fantastic Super Clean products that we're going to be demoing, and you can win an entire suite yourself, so stay tuned. Luis is experiencing some fifth gear whine. Also, it's probably time to change this anyway, because this car sat for a while.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Love that. Man, a few words. But just time to switch this through. So we've got everything jacked up. The car is level because we've actually sort of done everything. It's pretty simple, thankfully. So this is a 5-speed manual. So this is a W58 transmission. Either way, the drain bolt is right on the bottom. It's a 24 mil. The fill bolt is a 17 mil. So make sure you check that first. The fill bolt, that is, to make sure it can even come off. And then we drained everything out. 2 quarts of 75 weight 90 gear oil. MTF, whatever you want to call it. I'm not here to tomato if you're asking me, but 75 weight 90 gear oil. But make sure everything's level. Obviously, this is just a fill to overflow basically style manual transmission. So let's get to it.
Truly, one of my least favorite parts of working on a car is fluids. Whether it's manual transmission fluid, engine oil, whatever, it seems like it always gets everywhere. It's so hard to clean up. It's so nasty, but Super Clean has what are my 2 favorite products, the floor absorbent and the foaming degreaser. With the floor absorbent, just throw it down, rub it around in the spot with your shoe, and then sweep it up. Done. The foaming degreaser, just a couple squirts, spray it down there, wipe it up, and you're done. It really makes it so much easier, and it is amazing for that.
Well, we've got the Supra back on the ground with some fresh gear oil, and she is shifting smooth. And hopefully you'll see more of this lovely Mk3 on our channel. But
Like we said before, we're doing a Super Clean giveaway. You can win their entire complement of products. Just make sure you are subscribed and leave a comment, and we'll pick a winner at random.
yeah, let us know how you like the video. If you think we're stupid, how you like my hair. You seem to do that anyway. So, yeah, what a little treat. Thanks, Super Clean.
Thank you.
See you in the next one.
Bye.